So I spent $42.78 on 10 cards, less than what I paid for these ETBs. One ETB, this is all I pulled. A bunch of, I guess, junk bulk. And then one ETB, that was the first one was the Violet. This one's Scarlet. The Tusk, Full Art, Trainer Gallery. The best pull was this, okay? And then this is what I got from singles. So I got a Cook, this one, all these were under the 1 ETB price. Which ones would you want? Like this 1 ETB, get this one Pokemon card, get all these, and have some leftover money for some snacks, or these?